Today we're going to learn about arranging numbers in order. Again, arranging numbers in order. In arranging numbers, we are going to remember these two words. First, least. Again, least. Second, greatest. Again, greatest. Least, or the other word of that is smallest. It means it is the smallest number among the other numbers. Next, greatest, or the other word of that is biggest. It is the biggest number among the other numbers. Example, we're going to arrange the numbers from the least to the greatest, meaning from the smallest to the biggest. The easy example we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the numbers are increasing. The second one, arrange the numbers from the greatest to the least. Again, from the greatest to the least. So the easy example we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the numbers are decreasing. Here is our example number 1. Arrange the numbers from the least to the greatest. Again, from the least to the greatest. So we have here the 4 numbers given. So using the place value table, we are going to place all the digits in their proper places. So for the first number, we all know that 4 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place, 9 is in the hundreds place. For the second number, we have 5 ones, 1 tens, 8 hundreds. For the third number, we have 4 ones, 2 tens, 3 hundreds, 1 thousands, and 1 10,000s. For the last number, we have 5 ones, 8 tens, 8 hundreds, and 2 thousands. Now let's do the step 1. Count the number of digits. The first number, it has 3 digits. Let's count 1, 2, 3. And the second number, it has also 3 digits. The third number, it has 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the fourth number, it has 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, the smaller the total number of digits, the smaller the value. The bigger the total number of digits, the bigger the value. Since we are going to arrange the numbers from the least to the greatest, so let's start with the least. It means we are going to focus first with the 3 digits compared to the 5 digits and 4 digits. So step 2, if the total number of digits are equal, compare the digits from the left to the right. So from the left, which is the hundreds place, going to the right, which is ones place. Let's start with the hundreds place. We have 9 and 8. As we can see, they are not equal. So let's stop in here and then compare and decide which one is smaller and which one is greater. We all know 8 is smaller than 9, meaning this whole number, 815, will be the least number, okay? The first number in the line. Automatically, the other number that has 3 digits is in the next line, 924. From here, we have the remaining 2 numbers. One has 5 digits, the other one also has 4 digits. And then we all know the smaller the total number of digits, the lesser the value. The bigger the total number of digits, the greater the value. Again, we start from the least. So it means 4 digits will be the next in line. So we have 2,885 will be the third number. And the greatest number is 11,324. So this is the numbers from the least to the greatest. Example number 2, arrange the numbers from the least to the greatest. We have here the 4 numbers. Again, let's place all the digits in the place value table. So we have here, step 1, count the number of digits. As we can observe, all the numbers have 5 digits. Okay, so number 2, if the total number of digits are equal, compare the digit from the left to the right. That is from the left, which is 10,000s place, to the right up to ones place. So let's start with the 10,000s place. We have 3114. We are going to arrange the number from the least to the greatest. Least means smallest. So we all know 1 is smaller than 3 and also smaller than 4. So let's focus on these two numbers. Since they have the same digit in the 10,000s place, so let's proceed to the thousands place. Equal also, so let's proceed to the next place. 3 and 6. So we can observe they have different number or different digits. So let's stop in here and then observe, compare, and decide which one is the least. We all know 3 is smaller than 6. So therefore, the whole number 15,392 will be the first number in the line because this is the least number among the other numbers. Automatically, the other number that we compared just now will be the second number in the line, 15,607. So we have two remaining numbers. The first number and the fourth number. In a 10,000s place, they have digit 3 and 4. Again, from the least to the greatest. 3 is smaller than 4. So therefore, the first number will be the next in the line, 37,403. And the remaining number, which is 41,912, is the greatest. Therefore, this is the numbers from the least to the greatest. Example number 3, we have arranged the numbers from the greatest to the least. Again, from the greatest to the least. A while ago, from the least to the greatest. This time, from the greatest to the least. From the biggest to the smallest. So again, put all the digits in the place value table. So step 1, count the number of digits. So first number, it has 4 digits. Second number also as well, it has 4 digits. The third number has 5 digits as well as the fourth number. Since we are going to arrange the number from the greatest to the smallest, let's start with the greatest. We all know that the bigger the total number of digits, the greater the value. So let's start with the 5 digits. Let's compare the number or the digit from the left to the right. Let's start with the 10,000s place. We have 2 and 1. They are not the same, right? So let's stop in here, compare, and decide which one is greater. We all know 2 is greater than 1 or 2 is bigger than 1. Therefore, this whole number, 26,103, will be the first in the line because 26,103 is the greatest. Automatically, the other number that has 5 digits will be the second in the line, 15,461. We have the remaining two numbers. Both have 4 digits. So let's compare the digit from the thousands place. The 2 and 4, they are not the same. So let's stop and compare which one is greater or greatest. So 4 is greater than 2. Yes. So therefore, this whole number, 4,257, will be the third in the line. And the remaining number, 2,134, will be the least number. So this is the example of the numbers from the greatest to the least. Our last example, we have arranged the numbers from the greatest to the least. Again, from the greatest to the least. We have here the 4 numbers. So let's put all the digits in the place value table. So let's count the number of digits. So we can observe all the numbers have 5 digits. So right now, we're going to compare the digit from the left to the right. From the 10,000s place going to the ones place. So let's start with the 10,000s place. We have 3, 1, 2, 4. So we can observe they are not the same. So let's stop in here. Let's compare and decide which number is the greatest and which number is the least. Since we're going to arrange the numbers from the greatest to the least, so let's start with the greatest. As we all know, the bigger the digit, the greater the value. So it means 4. The whole number here, 41,912, is the greatest number among the others. Next is 37,403 because the 3 is greater than 2 and 1. So that is the second number in the line. Next is number 2. So it means the whole number here, 21,607 will be the third in the line. and the remaining one, 15,392, is the least. This is the example of the number from the greatest to the least. And that's all for today. I hope you've learned from our discussion. See you in my next video. Goodbye.